In today's video, we are going to talk about a member at Livegood reached the diamond level and is making $30,000 per month. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe and to click the notification bell to be notified of future videos. Many people are asking me how is it possible to make that much money with Livegood when you are only paying $10 membership. In this video, I am going to answer just that. I want you to take a look at this picture. This is what a diamond member at Livegood made during the month of February. This is his Livegood pay stub, and I'm going to explain in detail each item on this pay stub. First of all, we have the payment period for the month of February, which runs from the 1st to the 28th. Then we have the matrix commissions, which is $661. So how does he get that $661? It's pretty simple. We talked about the compensation plan in one of our previous videos, and we explained how the matrix bonuses work. When you are at the diamond level, you will get 2.5% commission from the subscription fees of all the people who are below you in your matrix until the 15th level. As you can see on this table, when his matrix is full, he will make up to $16,383 just from the matrix commissions. Then we have the matching bonuses. As you can see, he made $6,444 in February from the matching bonuses. So, how the matching bonuses work? Every time you recruit a new position at Livegood, those people also have their own matrix. That means that every time they make money in their own matrix, you will be making 50% commission from the matrix of people that you have recruited directly. What does this mean? If you have recruited, let's say 10 people, and those 10 people are making $6,000 per month in their own matrix, you will be making 50% of these $6,000 multiplied by the 10 people, which is $30,000 per month in addition to what you are already making in your own matrix. Then we have the retail commissions, which is the commission on the products. As an affiliate of Livegood, anytime one of your referrals makes a purchase as a retail customer, you will earn 50% of the difference between the member and the retail price. He made $12.23 from the retail commissions. And finally, he made $22,768 from the Diamond Pool bonus. Once you achieve Diamond rank, you will get a share of 2% of total company shares every month. So he made a total of $29,886 during the month of February. Keep in mind, this opportunity was launched only 4 months ago. Think about how much money this person will be making a year from now or even 10 years from now. People are making a lot of money with Livegood all over the world, and if you have experience running ads, you know that the cost of advertising in countries outside of the US is a lot cheaper. Livegood is gaining a very good reputation in the industry because of their compensation plan. As you can see in this article, Livegood was ranked at the end of March 2023 as the 5th network marketing company with the best compensation plans in the industry. You will find the link to that article in the description below this video. So, my friend, stop wasting time and join Livegood today. You have the opportunity to join a company like this at the very beginning, and opportunities like this do not come very often. We have one of the best performing team at Livegood, with multiple members on the leaderboard, and when you join our team, not only do you get access to the strategies that we use to recruit hundreds of leads on social networks every month on autopilot, you will also be able to duplicate our sale funnel, the same funnel I use to become a platinum member in a short period of time.